The garden tip for today is one of the easiest things all gardeners should consider. One of these multi-head hose attachments. Due to the variable shower they produce, you can create the perfect watering outcome for your plants. My preference, of course, is the shower. It mimics the rainfall. Mind you, if you are growing a lot of tropical plants, the mist is pretty good as well. And for the very tall trees that I grow, and the epiphytes at the top of the trees, the jet is perfect. Now, most of the time, most gardeners think about buying these purely and solely just for cleaning their car. However, for gardeners, this is one of the best investments you will ever buy. There are a lot of products on the market that will do this, so choose one suitable for you. The things to consider is the ease of turning on and off, the grip, and the attachment. Remember, different hoses have different diameters, so you need to get the right diameter, but there are adapters for that if you do have the problem. So the next time you go shopping for hoses, hose attachments and sprinklers, please consider the investment in one of these multi-head hose attachments. That's your garden tip for today.